Instagram recently introduced Instagram TV, also known as IGTV. Now this is a new feature on your current Instagram app, but it's also a separate standalone app. If your current app doesn't have Instagram TV, you'll need to update it. IGTV allows you to watch long-form vertical video that could be up to 10 minutes long, with some people being able to upload videos as long as 60 minutes. It has some similarities to YouTube. Should your brand jump on the IGTV bandwagon? Or wait, is it going to be a YouTube killer? We're going to talk about all that coming up next. Before we get started, I invite you to subscribe to our channel and make sure you click the bell so you get notified when we post a new video. We post new videos every week. I think IGTV is a great opportunity for your brand. New video offerings from top social media sites are always a good opportunity for brands to stand out and build an audience. Since Instagram has the backing of Facebook, it has a much better chance of succeeding than other social media video platforms. As I mentioned before, you can currently upload videos that are up to 10 minutes long, with some users getting the ability to upload videos that are as long as 60 minutes. The videos you create can be uploaded to IGTV using your phone or using Instagram's website. A lot of people are asking if Instagram TV is going to be YouTube killer, and I don't think so, not yet anyway. Keep in mind that YouTube still has double the amount of monthly active users that Instagram does. I think that both platforms are going to be important for brands, so make sure that you take full advantage of both. For IGTV to really have an option to take the lead, they'll need to figure out how to make search better. Instagram and Facebook are terrible when it comes to search. Now, I've played with the IGTV app and the search function is the best that I've seen from Instagram so far, but it still isn't great. So what do you need to do to make sure that your video gets the most out of this new platform? You'll need to be thinking mobile first when creating videos for Instagram. Your videos will need to be vertical, also called portrait mode. Now, I personally am anti-vertical video, but I think it makes sense for a mobile-only platform. During the announcement of IGTV, Instagram said that TV was outdated because it was horizontal. Apparently they failed biology because the last time I checked in the mirror, my eyes were both side by side. I know this is more comfortable to hold your phone in a portrait mode, but the reason that TV and every other device is horizontal or landscape is because your eyes are side by side, not one on top of the other. This vertical only strategy will be a disadvantage if IGTV ever wants to have an actual TV app. Or maybe they'll start selling TVs that auto-rotate depending on the format of your video. Because IGTV is portrait mode only, you won't be able to upload your horizontal videos. And you won't be able to upload your old YouTube videos without making them portrait first. Some people are hacking the platform by turning their videos using editing software so that you can upload them to IGTV, but in order for people to watch them, they need to turn their phones. I'm not sure this is a good idea, and we are recommending to our clients that they do some testing to see if horizontal video gets the same kind of engagement as vertical video on IGTV before uploading a lot of horizontal videos. And this will be something they'll need to continually test as the platform grows. I've been playing with the app, and it allows you to explore and search while your video is playing, which is going to mean that your content is going to need to keep people engaged because it'll be easier for them to get distracted and move away from your video. I'm not sure yet, but I think shorter videos are going to do better, at least early on, because of all the distractions. And if this is your first time making a video, shorter video is definitely the way to go while you learn to keep people engaged. Now, I'm interested in hearing what you think about IGTV. Is your brand going to use IGTV? And how will you keep people engaged? Leave a comment below. And I hope this helps you grow your business with video. I appreciate a like, comment, and share. Come back every week for a new video. You can visit our website at millerfarmmedia.com for more information. And thank you for allowing us to help you make better videos.